Surge and rescue.
Everywhere. It's Mexico. You rush everywhere.
You look for the highest fence.
Defend the objective.
Yeah. AKA the border. Yeah. They're stuck with us forever. I'm right behind you, just in case.
Oh, por atrás.
Kill confirmed.
Pretty sure they're dead.
I'm just laying down with a light machine gun right now. I'm at A.
Oh, you could breach this? When?
Ah, demonios. El mínimo.
We have one guy left.
We're in the lead.
Ow.
Excellent job, team. Get ready for the next round.
Bestia, en tu clase ponte el
Hola.
silencio mortal para que no te escuchen cuando estés sprintando. Te ayuda mucho.
Surge and rescue.
Okay, so I got a little bit of what they said.
Defend the objective.
Basically, one person's gonna be watching one side, one person will be watching the other. So basically what we just did, one person's gonna be turned.
Revived. Kill confirmed.
I risked my life for you, dude.
Ah, hijo de perra, ¿de dónde chingado salió?
Hola.
Como tu mamá.
We lost that round.
Ah, qué pendejo.
I'm about to when it starts back up.
Ah, te la rifaste.
Search and rescue.
Surge and
Class.
rescue.
I'm gonna run my bulldog.
Objective.
Oh, what the fuck?
Kill confirmed.
I shield gotta go first.
Ah, chingada
There,
puta.
there. Dude, it's racist.
Unfair
I'm
advantage.
Mexican. You're racist.
We're in the lead. Excellent job, team. Get
I'm
ready
part
for the
Russian,
next
too.
round.
What about you? What are you?
Halftime.
I'm a Heinz 57.
Eso va a acabar.
Search and rescue.
What about you, Squirtle? I'm gonna call you Squirtle.
Destroy
Okay.
the objective.
I'm a Heinz 57.
There,
I'm a
what?
little bit of everything. I'm a Heinz 57. There's really not much that I'm not.
Ah,
Ah, verga.
I'm German, Irish, English, Native American. Also Native American. Pretty much. Why don't we plan at A?
Kill confirmed.
you know.
We're in the lead. Excellent job, team. Get ready for the next round.
Yeah, but it'd freak them out when they have to try to defuse the bomb.
That was cool.
Search and rescue. Destroy the objective. Bomb acquired. Revived. Enemy SATCOM spotted.
Got him.
Kill confirmed. Kill confirmed. Kill confirmed.
I don't know.
Bomb acquired. We're in the lead.
Oh, I almost had the bomb planted. I almost had the bomb planted.
YouTube.
Nope. You did not shoot the chicken.
Good job. Report to command for debrief.
He was still alive.